When you receive notifications, normally you see those notification icons shown on top of your phone. But what if I tell you you can easily show the number instead of those icons? I'm going to show you the easy trick how to do this. So do a swipe up on your phone and simply click on settings. Then you want to tap on notifications. Then you want to go to the advanced settings and then you want to click on show notification icons. Now when you tap on that, you have the options to show all notifications, but that will show you too much icons and simply clutter your phone. Or you can just leave it on the three most recent, but you have the option as well to show the number of notifications only. So once you tap on that, if you look to the top of my screen here, you'll see just number one, because it simply means that I have only one notification. But if I have a bunch more, let's say 10, it will show me 10 on the top there, and I will know that I have 10 notifications. And that's all there is to it. That's how easy it is to change your number of notifications to numbers instead of showing those icons. Very easy and very simple.